Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Out here at the property in the evening, just finishing up a day, and I'm watering. And you might be wondering, if you can hear the pitter-patter of light rain in the background, what in the heck am I watering for if it's raining? But the reason I'm doing it is because it's been extremely hot. We've been up in the mid to upper 30s past couple days. There's kind of the start of a heat wave happening right now, and we're basically, you know, what is that in Fahrenheit? I don't know, something in the 90s. It's been really dry and haven't had much rain. The plants are definitely really needing water, and I don't trust that the clouds I see in the sky are really going to give us too much rain. So I'm out here watering, and you know, basically, like, we do the old school thing. We got the well here, and I had a pump, but it died a while back, probably about maybe 2-3 years ago, I think. So since then it's just been real old school, bucket on a rope down. It's about 5 meters to the water, about 9 meters to the bottom of the well. You can't even see it from here, especially not in this kind of light. And then put it into this big you know, bucket here, and then bring this with the wheelbarrow, and then I hand water everything for now. At some point later on, you know, I probably would like to have some kind of automation, or at least some kind of maybe gravity-fed, you know, hose kind of situation worked out, but that's not a priority at this moment because I just have so many other things going on. But yeah, basically, you know, it's been really hot, really dry, and the plants need water, so just going to water them, get a little bit of workout in, and hope for the best. We don't come out to the property every day, so that's the other reason. Like, I can't trust, like, oh, if it doesn't rain today, then I'll just come tomorrow and water. I don't think I'm going to actually make it out tomorrow. So I just want to really make sure that the plants get enough. And I don't think, you know, even if I water them and then it rains a lot tonight, I don't think it'll do any harm because the soil's been so dry. And mostly everything that's growing is growing in mulch as well. And as I've shown in the video recently, you know, the ground just absorbs the water really well when it's mulched. So I don't fear of you know, waterlogging any of the plants or anything like that. So that's it. I'm gonna end the video here, and hope everybody's good. Hope your plants are doing well. Hope you're getting enough water. Hope you have enough water. That's definitely a problem in a lot of areas of the world. So yeah, hope everybody's good. See you in another video soon. Bye.